Hello world, this is Random Fix. In this video today we're going to be changing out the engine air filter here on this VS30-907 Sprinter. So these are the 2019 and newer models. So I'm going to show you how to do this quickly, and you're only going to need a couple of tools. You're going to need a 7mm up here. You're going to need a T25 for down here, and if you have a pick, to go ahead and undo this little clip. And for this clip right here, you just squeeze it and you're ready to go. Stay tuned. So these are the Sprinters that are 2019 and newer. So you can begin off with loosening up the 7mm up here. Once that is loose, this will just go ahead and pull back. Squeeze these two clips firmly and this will just pull back. Grab yourself a small little flat tip screwdriver like that. Push back on that. And with the white clip pushed back, you want to go ahead and grab the flat tip screwdriver and lift up this clip right here, and this will just pull back like that. And start removing the 7 screws, the T25s right here. Remove all of them out, and you do not need to touch anything underneath here, as this piece will just go ahead and swivel forward and we'll have access to the air filter. And with everything loose, this is going to go ahead and lift up like this. My vehicle has about 20,000 miles on it, and this is my first time doing this, so I want to see how dirty this is, or it isn't. And wow, this is dirty. So this is how your air filter is going to look like with 22,000 miles. And now I'm going to go ahead and clean this area up. You can use a vacuum, a rag, or just go ahead and blow everything out of here. And if you do want to blow everything out, just make sure you go ahead and put something in here so none of the dirt and debris go in. So I got my Ryobi here. I got a rag in my intake hose. So now it's all clean, and now I'm just going to go ahead and dust off this area in here. All cleaned up. So now I got my new air filter here. Check this out, guys. Super clean. Sits nice and flush in there. And now I just got to go ahead and pop this back in. And all you got to pay attention to is the back side. Go ahead and drop it in like that. It's going to then go and line up in the front. And we're going to go ahead and tighten everything up and put all the clips and the hoses back on. So drop the back in and the front will line up. And go ahead and tighten up the screws here in the front. Slide that back into place and tighten this back up. And I always like to check everything with my hand tools to make sure I did not under tighten something, because with the power tools you can't really tell. I don't want to strip anything. So that's back together. I'm going to go ahead and pop this back in. You can hear the clip seated, as well as this clip, and then push this back in. Now I'm going to change this back to a Torx, and I'm all done. If you guys got any questions, please leave them down below. I have videos on how to complete the oil change, the cabin air filter change, the resets in the video link down below. I'll have a link to the air filter as well, and you guys can watch the whole van conversion video as well if you guys want to go ahead and convert your van, and you'll have a lot of fun. And now you no longer have a dirty filter. Make it a great day. See you guys on the next one. Thanks.